I want to talk about detoxification a little bit. So first of all, does the word detoxification already intimidate you or trigger you? I've been hearing that from people that they have been in brutal detoxification programs before and where they haven't been able to eat anything they like, or they had to eat things they really don't like, or they had to starve themselves. And that's horrible. And of course, that doesn't work in the long run because detoxification doesn't happen overnight. So you have to be in it for a little bit of time. And if you get forced to do all these things, it just doesn't work. Now, in our programs, that isn't the case at all. And I can tell you why. Because when I designed those programs, I had people like myself in mind, and I have no willpower at all. Everything healthy that I do, everything that works, like eating my healthy snacks and my fruits and taking my herbs and all that, happens due to healthy habits and not willpower. And if I want to cheat a little, I sometimes do, and I don't beat myself up over it. And I tell my clients that if they want to cheat, if they really have to cheat, they can, as long as they come back to the program the next day. Because nobody's perfect and it's unrealistic to expect perfectionism. It's just makes your life harder and adds more stress, in my opinion. So I teach my clients healthy habits, and then we change their day-to-day routine in baby steps, one day at a time, at their own pace. And that's how this program is workable and doable. Okay. For example, I've had heavy meat eaters who thought that they would die without their daily meat. And so I let them change their habits really slowly. Just eat a little less of that nasty stuff and eat a little more of that healthy, yummy, nutritious, hydrating stuff. And then see how it goes and how you feel. And they all started to feel better without any pressure. And then slowly they changed their habits. And it could take a couple of weeks for that. That's not a problem because we also take herbal medicine and those herbs will work no matter what. They change your palate, for example. So that means as soon as you start detoxifying from parasites or heavy metals, you don't have specific cravings anymore for meat or for sugar. And your intuition starts to wake up and you start eating more of the things that actually nourish your body and your soul, and less of the things that support the parasites and that suppress your emotions. And we also do emotional health coaching. So we're looking at what are you actually suppressing with your food habits? What is it that you don't want to remember? And how do you relate to food? Is it a crutch for you? So we gently work through these emotions. And then slowly over time, your body changes, lets go of more and more toxins and parasites and negative emotions and trauma and stress and acids and toxic mucus and green slime and whatnot. And then you really start craving the healthy things, and you can eat as much of those as you want. In my programs, you're never hungry, and we always move at your pace. So some of my clients want to take it really slow, so we'll do really slow, one day at a time, and others jump in and want to do everything on the first day. So there's a certain healthy pace that we reach in the first couple of weeks, and then things will get really, really easy. Any questions? Let me know. Schedule your free consult. We'll talk about everything, and the link is below.